providing 10,000 subsidy for each bus unit. Tapos yung method of payment, marami lahat ng klaseng method of payment. Okay. We can do it via digital payment or cash. We can do it through the ATM. May mga card naman na may hawak naman, may card naman yung mga driver natin, lahat ng operator na issue ng card, pwedeng gamitin yun. Meron pa rin iilan na talagang gusto nila, hindi ayaw nilang gawin digital. Kaya meron pa, pwedeng mag-issue ng cheque. Kung talagang kahit cash, pwede pa rin. Pero siguro, mas maginhawa, it's easier, it's more practical. Pag as much as possible, ang gagawin natin ay digital payment. So, we are, tulungan nyo naman kami para yung ating riding public ay hindi masyadong mahirapan pero muna at hindi sila masyadong mabigatan sa pamasahe dahil na alam naman natin kung ano yung pangyayari. Nagbabago yung presyo ng langis all over the world. Kaya ito ang response ng pamahalaan. And of course, we are always in need of assistance and support and cooperation with the operators, with the drivers, in buong sistema. So this is what we are doing here now. Seeing they are having the briefing now from the OTR, tinignan namin ang mga facilities, so forth, maayos. So let's just keep the system going. Tignan natin how it works. Kung meron maging problema o kung meron sa palagay ninyo maging mas magandang sistema or make it easier, or make it faster, make it more convenient for you, for the riding public. So we have to comment. And kung palagay namin, may kaya namin doon para palagay ang sistema. Please tell us. Dahil ang gusto natin is very as convenient as possible, as easy as possible, as quick, yung mabilis as possible. Dahil araw-araw nagpapago, kaya kailangan makapag-respond din kami. So, with the cooperation ako, yung malakas ang loob ko sabihin, pagkabasa nagtutulungan tayo, yung private sector, saka yung kayo mga operator, at saka kami sa government, sana maging hindi na matatapos yung pakiramdam na ating riding public, yun ang ating mga siniservisyoan. Tingnan, matiyak natin na maging maayos ang kanilang pagbiyahe. Thank you all for being part of the solution at patuloy natin gagawin ito ang kailangan. Maraming salamat. Good morning sa inyo.